Make a vest for airsoft. Although airsoft guns have a velocity of less than 600 feet per second, it can still damage a person when its pellets hit them. That is why it is important to wear the proper gear when using them. One of the most important gears you need to use is a vest. You can make your own vest for airsoft to fit your own liking. Just follow these quick and easy steps and you will have your customized airsoft vest in no time. Prepare the materials that you will need. To make your own airsoft vest, you will need a tape measure, big pieces of cardboard, a pencil, a glue gun, a razor blade to cut the cardboard, duct tape, 4 pieces of magnets, a stapler, thick string, and a few cans of spray paint to the color of your liking. Take your body measurements. Use your tape measure to get the circumference of your chest, your stomach, and the length of your trunk, including your shoulders, your neck, and the circumference of your head. Make a list of all these measurements because you will need them when you cut out the cardboard for your vest. Cut out the cardboard. Mark the cardboard for cutting using the measurements that you obtained earlier. The circumference of your chest and your stomach will be the measurements you will follow to get the width of cardboard that you will need. Make sure to add allowance to the measurements so that you can still move around in your vest. The length of your trunk, including your shoulders, will be used for the length of the cardboard. Double the measurement you obtain so that the cardboard will cover both the front and back side of your upper body. Cut out a hole for your neck. Using the measurements you took for your neck, cut out a hole in the center of the cardboard. This is where your neck will be slipped in, so make sure that you give enough allowance to your measurements so that you do not choke when you are wearing your airsoft vest. Make a slit for your head. Taking one side of the cardboard where your shoulders are supposed to be, make a slit on one side so that you can make your head fit inside the hole. Put the sides of the vest together. To put your vest together, punch 5 holes onto its sides that are big enough to fit your string. Tie the holes together like you would your shoelaces, but make sure to give enough allowance for you to move around. Do the same on the shoulders of your vest. Add pockets for your ammunition tubes. Measure the length and circumference of the ammunition tubes that you will be using. Multiply the circumference you obtained by 2 and cut out a strip of cardboard using these measurements. Using a glue gun, stick the strips onto your vest to hold your ammunition tubes. Add pockets for your other things. Measure how big you want your pockets and cut out a piece of cardboard. Make sure that its flaps are longer so that your things will not fall out of your pocket. Add magnets to the flaps so you can close them. Glue the pockets onto your vest. Decorate your vest. Use spray paint to color your vest. Make sure that it is best to color your vest in a way that your opponents will not see you easily. Einforce the edges of your vest. To make your vest more durable and so that the edges do not hurt you, use duct tape to cover its edges, corners, and holes. Now you are ready for battle. Enjoy.